So I'm cooking some scrambled eggs, which I'm going to put in some buns, which are where the buns are in the refrigerator. I should check them out. I'll try and maybe eat only one. These are local buns. So I have my area here where is to assemble my meal. Just right up here, I get my plates, put it right here. Here, what do I have here? I have a knife. I mislaid my knife. With my knife, I'm just gonna get some butter. Put that in my plate. Cleanse my butter. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Okay. Point is, it is easy to cook in this place. This is going to be stabilized. It's a little bit hot right now. We're going to correct it. Put my eggs. You can see the leg. It's missing some legs. Put it in the sink. I don't want to increase the heat. I could. It's just a little bit off kilter, but that's going to be sorted this afternoon. But this was from a coffee table, one of 1,000 in this house. That was from a coffee table. It's now counter height. So yeah, everything is going to work out for sure. So this is just eggs, milk, and salt. And then I'm just using butter to prevent it from sticking. I don't think it will stick. Again, this is being funny and moving because it's uneven, but that's going to be sorted this afternoon. Guys, I am making my mom's house so simple that a person can live in it by themselves. She can, if she's stranded, if there's nobody around, she can literally cook herself a meal. So I'll say these eggs are ready. See, that's irritating me, but don't worry, we shall wipe it. We shall wipe all this away. We just don't want little bugs and creatures to come, you know. Okay, we're going to turn this off. And this off. We don't want drama in the house. Okay, we're going to get my bun. We're doing everything one-handed. Oh no, how do I make the hole in it? I'm just going to have to go dramatic. This used to be for a burner here, but we can actually use it for our hot griddle. So 2 eggs. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Okay, let's turn it around. Turn it around, I'm gonna take a bite. Well, I'm going to say scrambled eggs are my specialty.